Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have what you need: a Windows 11 PC and an account. First, press the Windows key and type CMD to locate command prompt. This is fast and reliable. If you plan to run installer scripts or change system files, right-click the result and choose Run as Administrator because Elevation lets commands modify protected areas. Once done, you'll see a black console window. Make sure to note whether it says Administrator at the title bar so you know the privilege level. There are several reliable ways beyond search. Press Win+R, type CMD, and hit Enter for an immediate non-elevated shell. This is handy for quick tasks. If you want to open a prompt in a specific folder, focus File Explorer, click the address bar, type CMD, and press Enter. The shell opens at that path. Also, use Win+X to access the Power User menu and select Command Prompt or Windows Terminal depending on your settings. Choose Terminal if you prefer tabs and profiles. To finish, run your command, then type Exit to close the window, or use CLS to clear and continue. If you attempted Run as Administrator and were blocked, make sure UAC prompts are visible and sign in with an admin account. Alternatively, right-click the Start button and pick Windows Terminal, Admin for elevation. If command prompt opens as PowerShell or Terminal by default, open Windows Terminal settings and change the default profile to command prompt so future launches match your.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.